competition with 82 Motorsports here this year. The 8 car, another fast. After lap 1, it is a nice early 2000s throwback off of turn number 2. And Ryan Newman down the back straightaway, throws it right in there. Let's see what he comes up with a time. Running a hard-time schedule this year, the NASCAR Whelen.
Alright guys, we're here for the NASCAR Whelen Modified Series, and we got everybody nice and lined up here pre-race at New Smyrna Speedway in Florida. We also got Ryan Newman, the Rocket Man, here, rocking his Bass Pro Shop and Tracker Boats and ATVs mobile in the 8. And so everyone's getting their nice autographs and stuff, and also all the pickers getting their stuff set up for the race as well. So kind of my kickoff for Speedweeks for me anyways, as hopefully we'll get to see some cool racing at Daytona in the near future. Yep, there he is right there, Ryan Newman. Cool, cool, cool. Also saw Ryan Priest earlier too at his merch booth, so that was kind of neat. Now we'll just keep on walking down the line here, as I've never gotten to walk down this front stretch before. Got to see our good friend John races E-Modified here. That is super cool, but I haven't seen the Whelen Modified series here before, so this is going to be kind of cool. Did see the World of Outlaw Sprint Cars race here once. I think that's before they went to just dirt, but still very, very cool racetrack. Lots of speed and lots of cool racing action here as well. Cool, cool, cool.
Hit a metal moan, engine start like a rebel's tone. Pistons pump, we let it fly. Feel the rush, can't deny. Roll ahead endless night, V8 scream come on might. Dust and ash in our wake, push to win, risk to take. Turn on the engines, let them roar. Rev them up, hardcore. Rev them up, let's go racing. Come on, V8's power chasing. Highway lights streaking by, rubber burns will touch the sky. Cadillac and winding gears, fast as lightning, no more fears. RPMs roar in the dark, leave the world a frantic mark. We sink with every turn, in our souls the engines burn. Turn on the engines, let them roar. Rev them up, hardcore. Rev them up, let's go racing. Come on, V8's power chasing.
This is a completely packed house here tonight, and we have a ton of people watching on Flow Racing. You see the field 31 strong. Now to hit the green under the flag of like that of a short to their starters tonight. And it's a mix of veterans and rookies. You have an impressive number of rookies in the field. You can take a look at one of them on the wall. There's Luke Baldwin with young Austin Mears on the outside of the front row of car 64. That's a future modified racing right there on the front row here tonight in New Smyrna. Stephen Combustion only a handful of starts. He'll start third tonight. Now, four-time series champion Justin Bonsignor will start fourth. We'll start up front. Your fast race car for Franklin in car number 46. Aaron Goodale to the outside in car number 15. Andrew Cross will go to the outside of the end. Tire. So back on pit road now, as is Brian Roby in car number 25. And then you have the There's the traditional fireworks in turn number 1, and then there is Stewart, who piled it in turn number 4. Wild action at the end of the NASCAR Whelen Modified event to kick off the 2025 racing season. And the new Smyrna Beach area visitors, Bureau 200, goes to the driver who has won 4 races inside the last 8. And I think that's something to be said for car number 1, who starts his season in Victory Lane. The Fleet Works Incorporated Middlesex Interior sponsored ride. Window net coming down for one Patrick Emerling.
Patrick Emerling has brought his car down to Victory Lane, and he will celebrate the victory to kick off the 40th season for the NASCAR Whelen Modified Tour. Dale Hedquist, the entire team, Rich Gautreau, who has been part of this team